Dorothy.
Hey kids, welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we are going to learn letter H words. Are you ready? Great! Let's begin now. H is for hand. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for heart. H is for house. H is for ham. H is for hot dog. H is for hen. H is for hippo. H is for hammer. H is for helicopter. H is for hare. H is for honey. H is for happy. H is for healthy. H is for hospital. H is for hero. H is for hall. H is for holiday. H is for highway. H is for honest. H is for hill. H is for hook. H is for hamster. H is for hermit. H is for heel. H is for horn. H is for harbor. H is for hiker. H is for hedgehog. H is for hug. Fantastic job, everyone. You are letters experts now. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Great job, everyone. You are all so smart. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. Let's make story time unforgettable.